Welcome back, my people. We have question here to tackle. Alright, so they said calculate the gravitational force between two masses of 2 kg and 3 kg separated by 2 meters. Now you should take G 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter squared per kilogram squared. So we have this. We have solution. That so we have M1 to give us M1 to give us 2 kg. We have M2 to give me 3 kg. Now we have R as what? 2. We have G at 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11. So we are looking for what? Force. So having this, I have M, I have 2M here, I have R, I have G, I have F. So with this, I will now say, so you should calculate the what? You should calculate the gravitational force. Now, gravitational force will now be what? F is that's force is directly proportional to M1 and M2, and inverse proportional to what? R squared. So if I remove some proportionality and introduce what? Constant. I will now F should give me what? G is the constant of what? Gravitational what? Force. Gravitation. Once you hear gravitation, G will be the what? The constant here. So multiplied by what? M1, M2, all over what? R squared. So I'm going to use this formula to calculate this. So having this, I'm now have that F will now be 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 times my M1 is 2, my M3 is what? 3 times what? 2 times 3 all divided by what? 2 squared. So this I have F is equals to 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 times 6 divided by what? 4. Now, coming here, I cannot go and multiply this thing together. So this is the whole number, this is the whole number, this is the whole number. But this one is what? Indices. This is indices here. So if I do 6.67 times 6 divided by 4, I'll have 10.005 times 10 raised to the power minus 11. Take your calculator. Right. So this now, this is what? 2 decimal place. I want to make it to 1 decimal place. So I'll carry this point here and put it here. So I have added what? 1 point here. So I'm going to have 1.0, right? 0, so 1.0 times 10 raised to the power. Here now I have minus 11. So for me to add this what? 1 point I added here. So plus 1. So I now have 1.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 10. Since we're looking for what? Force, my answer will now be in what? In Newton. Thank you. If I like my solving, please see my comment section. Bye bye.